Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create this awesome glowing text on CapCut. So first, you need to add the text that you want, and I'm using two different texts like this. Then just click on the first text and go to Style, then click on the glow. Okay, choose the first glow in here, and in here you can select the color of the glow and also intensity. I'm using this one, and I'm going to set the intensity to 45. Okay, click on the check icon, and now go to the second text and add keyframe at the start and also in the middle here. And on the second keyframe, go to Style, click on the glow, and now select the glow, the second glow options, the Pro version, and here adjust the intensity range and also the X offset. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and after that you can click on the check icon, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.